Hello friends, how are you? Are you confused about mean, median and mode and their relationship? Then we will reveal the definition of mean, median, mode and their relationship with example. We will walk you through the logic behind this formula and then use a real world data examples to show you how to apply. By the end of the video, you will not only understand the formula but also be able to use it to estimate a missing value in a data set. I apologize that I could not upload the video from last 4 or 5 days due to the sickness, but now I'm well and uploading this video. So first of all, we shall start the video from mean. What is mean? Mean, if there are datas are given and we add all the datas and divide that sum of the datas with the number of datas, that is called mean. Mean means sum of all the datas divided by the number of datas. I'm Samir. If you are watching my scholars, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. Median. Now the median is the value which falls in the middle of the data. This side and this side of median must be same number of datas. If the number of data are in even, then we shall add 1 to it. First we shall take n upon 2. For even, n upon 2, say it is 5. Data's n is 10. So for 10 it is 5. 10 upon 2. So it is 5. Median is 5 and 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 data. So 5 fifth data on fifth number and data on sixth number will be added and divided by 2. That will be median. If n is odd number, then simply we shall add in it 1. Suppose n is 11. So 11 plus 1, that is 12, and 12 upon 2. So that will be 6. So this way the sixth data will be the median. The data at the number of 6 will be the median if there are total 11 datas. And the mode is the data which occurs maximum time in a group of data. We shall take an example of some datas, taking artificial datas or example datas for you to explain what is mean, median and mode. Please remain on the video. See the full video so that you would understand clearly the mean, median and mode. Taking data. Suppose there are datas. First is 20. Suppose there are numbers from 20 to 80, 20 to 90 in an exam. So number given by students from 20 to 90 in an examination are as follow. That is, first is 20, second student got 25, third student also got 25, fourth student also got 25, fifth got 25, then other student got 35, and next student got 40, 45, 50, 50, I should write it again. First student got 20 marks. Second got 25. Third 25. Fourth 25. Fifth 25. And then one of the student got 35. Another got 40. Another got 45. $50, $69 and $81. 69 and 81. In this, there are the datas. So first we shall find the mean. For finding the mean, we apply the formula mean is equal to, आपको इससे बिल्कुल सही तरह से समझ आ जाएगा कि व्हाट इज मीन, व्हाट इज मीडियन एंड व्हाट इज मोड. सो प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो टिल देन. मीन इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशन, सम ऑफ these observation. You should write corner. So mean is equal to 20 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, plus 35 plus 40 plus 45 plus 69 plus 81. All are added. Now we shall divide this by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 50 is missing. Then 45 plus 50 plus 69 plus 81. Now there are total 11 numbers obtained by different students. 11 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 11. When we add these all, we get 440. If we add these all, we are getting 440 divided by 11. Divided by 11. So that is equal to 40. This way the mean of these data is 40. Mean of all the students together is 40. 40 marks are the mean marks. Now, what is median? So we see that there are total 11 terms. So n plus 1 upon 2 for odd number. N is 11 plus 1 upon 2. That is equal to for median. N is the number of data. 12 upon 2. 2 6 12. This is sixth the number which are at sixth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 35. So 35 is the median of the given data. 35 इन सभी डेटा का मीन होगा. 35 is the 35 is the median of the given data. MEDIAN, median. Median of the given data is 35. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are here left hand side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are at right hand side. If this would 10, we shall add 2 and then divide by 2. This 2 data we add and then divide by 2. So that would be the mean. Now in this case, 35 is the median. This is median, 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 middle term of the group of data is called median. First we need to arrange them in an increasing order. Before arranging them in an increasing order, we cannot find the median. We can find the mean whether we are adding in any order, but we cannot find the median before arranging them in an increasing order. 20, 25, 35, 40, 45, 50, 69, 81. So we have arranged first the data in increasing order, and then the data which is in the middle from right hand side and left hand side are known as median. This is median. So this is median. Now question is of mode. Mode is the frequency or the data which occurs maximum time. Here we see 25 is occurring maximum time. So 25 is the mode, MODE. Mode is 25. Since it is occurring maximum time, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. It may be 3, 2, 1 according to the data. Here it is 4 times. So that is mode. Clear? Mean, sum of all the data upon number of data. That is median, middle term of the data, extreme middle. From this side the same number left, from that side the same number left. Since the number of data is 11, so we shall choose this formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 tth term. 6 tth term. So sixth term is 35. This way 35 is the median. Clear? Now 35 is the median, 25 is the mode, and mean is 40. Now there is an empirical formula. Empirical formula say that three into median is equal to mode plus 2 into mean. 3 into median means thrice of median. 3 into median is equal to mode plus 2 into mean. Mode plus 2 into mean. Mode plus 2 into mean. 2 into mean means that thrice of this twice is equal to mode plus twice of mean. twice of mean. So we shall get median. Substituting the values, let us see whether this formula is correct or not. This is known as empirical formula. EMPIRICAL. Empirical formula. EMPIR. EMPIRICAL. Empirical formula. This is known as empirical formula. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Empirical formula. Let us substituting the value of different thing. Median. The value of median is 35. So 3 into 35. We shall calculate that like this. 3 into 35. This is taken is equal to mode. The value of mode is 25. One of the item we will write, not all. So mode is 25. So 25, that is plus 2 into mean. The value of mean is 40. Plus 2 into 40. Plus 2 into 40. 2 into 40. So this way 35 threes are 105. 105 is equal to 25 plus 80. 25 plus 80, which is also is equal to 105. So this way we have got 105 is equal to 105. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the formula is correct for the given data. 105. This way we can find the value of one of the missing data by using this, either mode, either median or mean. If median and mean are given, we can find mode. If median and mode are given, we can find mean. If mode and median are given, mean are given, we can find median. Mode and mean are given, we can find median. If median and mode are given, we can find mean. If median and mean are given, we can find mode. This way, alternate way, we can find one out of these two or these three. When two are given, we can find the third. We can calculate the third by using this formula. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई स्कॉलर्स। इस तरह के और भी वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई स्कॉलर्स। प्लीज़ राइट इन कमेंट बॉक्स how would you like our videos, and write from which country, city or town you are watching our video. Again, thank you for watching our video.